So yeah, so once we've done that, the next thing we want to do is to click on icons. Okay, so go to icons, and then remember that our icon is this HTML. So we are going to search for HTML here. Okay, so we are going to select this, and then we'll select HTML5, click on this, we'll go back here, go to the bottom. Okay, so after the HTML, we're going to do space, and then we'll say Ctrl V to paste. Okay, now after this, the next one we are supposed to have is the CSS. So I'm just going to copy this, do Control, like say highlight, use your hold down your left mouse, then move your mouse. Okay, then we'll say Ctrl C. Okay, then click at the end again, then hit enter and then paste. Then we'll change this to CSS like so. Okay, and then we are going to go back to our font awesome, close this, and then search for CSS like so. Yeah, so is this one okay? This one we are going to make use of the CSS3 or to click on this. But now if you look at this, we have FA-brands, then FA CSS3-alt. So I'll just come here and then change this to FA CSS3-alt like so, and then save this. And if we go back, we should notice that we have our icon. Okay, so we are done for the first HTML and CSS. The next one I want to work on is the PHP and then JavaScript. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, copy the link, the whole div. Okay, this whole group here. Okay, copy this, then hit enter, then do Ctrl V again. Okay, just to give space. So I'm going to do Ctrl V again. Then I'm going to change this to PHP. Okay, now same thing, we'll go back here and then search for PHP, and then taking time now, what's wrong? PHP. Okay, so once you search for PHP, sorry, I was having network issues anyway. So you just now, as you see, we have FA-PHP. So I'm just going to go back and then change this from HTML5 to just PHP like so, and then save, Ctrl S, go back, and we should have our PHP. Now the last one is for JavaScript. So I'm going to change the CSS to JavaScript like so, and then we'll go back to our font awesome. Okay, and then search for JavaScript like so. Okay, JS, and then this is FA-JS. I hope that's what we have. Yes, FA-JS. So we are going to say FA-JS like so. And once we go back here, you should see that we have the JS. Okay, so we are done with the HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript like group or section. So the next thing we want to do is we want to see how we can do the download CV, which is another group, as we can see. Okay, so for this, I think we'll have to put this at the end. So we'll create also another div again. Okay, another div, and then now for the download CV, okay, the element you are using for this is going to be the anchor tags, because we want, if a user click on download CV, okay, now you should be able to like download if we have a resource like maybe a CV and stuff like that. So the download attribute is only available on anchor tags. So we are going to create an anchor tag. Okay, and then we'll say href, and then we'll just say download CV. Okay, we can even optionally decide to pass in the download attribute here. Okay, but for now we don't have any like resource, but yeah, so this download attribute allowed users to download their CV. Now the next one we have is the social media icons, and basically if you click on Facebook, it should take you to Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp. Okay, it should take you to our Facebook page, our Twitter page, or whatnot. Okay, so now also we also need the anchor tags for those too. Okay, but we'll come back to our font awesome, and then we are going to search for Facebook like so. Okay, we'll click on this guy here. okay, and then in between this we are going to just paste, okay, and the next one we have is supposed to be Twitter. So also same thing, close this, go back here, search for Twitter, like so, and then just same a tag, and we'll just click on this guy. Now in between this guy we are going to paste, okay, for Twitter, and then the next thing we have is going to be WhatsApp. We'll close this and then we'll still search for WhatsApp, like so, okay. Click on this, then select, and then we'll say anchor tag again, and then we'll just do for WhatsApp, okay. So now once we save this and we go back here, we should see that we have Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Okay, so basically like what we have here, Facebook, Twitter, and then WhatsApp. Okay, so yeah, so that concludes the social media icon section, which is this section here. Okay, now the next one we have is the image section, and for this I'm going to create a folder, because like I said, it's always important that you create folders, okay, for your images, okay, or any other resource that you have. So I'm going to create a folder. Inside of this folder, I'm going to call this, now to create folder, you click on this second icon here. I'm going to call this images, like so, and then I'm going to go back to my downloads, okay. I'm going to select this particular image. You can use any image you want. Select this image, then hit Ctrl C, come back to this, hit Ctrl V, and then it's going to paste that, okay. And then we'll go back to our index.html, and then inside of that second div that we created, which is like the div for the image, okay, I'm going to just hit enter here, create an img tag, and then I'm going to say images. Remember, the picture is inside of the folder image, so or the image folder. So I'm going to just select this and then select this again, okay. So Ctrl S this, and if we go back here, we should be able to see the image that we have, okay. So now as we notice, if we notice this, you'd see that like the whole need for this is just so that we can create like insert text, insert icons and stuff like that, like giving our website like a structure, okay. So for us to actually beautify it or make it look like this, like maybe change color, change the layout and all those things, we can actually do that with CSS, okay. But for now, yeah, this is where we are going to wrap up for this. So have a nice day and see you in the next one.